Provided by Agile Waters, this course is designed to help you master project and delivery management. Are you ready to improve your Agile skills? Whether you're a delivery manager, project manager, or transitioning into these roles, Agile Waters has the course for you. Introducing Agile Project and Delivery Management Certification by ICAgile, provided by Agile Waters, a 2-day classroom or online training that guarantees results and equips you with the knowledge to manage projects and deliverables efficiently. Go beyond the limitations of a single Agile framework with Agile Waters. Learn how to manage dependencies, remove barriers, and create continuous value using Agile and Lean practices. In just 14 hours with Agile Waters, you'll master agility in delivery, empower your teams for better results, and receive hands-on training from certified experts. This course includes interactive sessions and real-time learning to help you apply these skills in your current or future roles. Here's what our students have to say about their learning experience at Agile Waters. Plus, you'll get the ICP-APM certification, certified by ICAgile, provided by Agile Waters. Once you complete the Agile Waters course, you'll receive a downloadable certificate to showcase on LinkedIn and share with employers. Don't miss this opportunity to become a certified Agile project and delivery management expert with Agile Waters. Start your journey today and drive success for your organization.